So a bit about the UK context first of all. The UK has quite a tough decarbonisation challenge shown here on the graph. Historically, emissions have gone down up to 2009-10, but we've got a huge way to go. To hit the 2020 budget which the government has set, we need to cut our emissions by about 1 to 2% a year, every year for the next decade. And to get to the 2050 emissions target, we've got to cut by over 3% a year. Now, those figures can seem quite remote for individual businesses, that's just the UK as a whole. But of course all of us operate in that economy, and it's the economy as a whole that will have to decarbonise. And I think these figures are important because success from a government perspective will be judged against that trajectory, and if we aren't decarbonising quickly enough, if businesses aren't pulling their weight, you can expect to see more regulation. So whether it's through voluntary mechanisms or whether it's through regulation, this is the kind of target which businesses need to aspire to achieve. And indeed, if you want to stand out as a business, if you want to have a good environmental reputation, if you want to sell green services, I would argue that you need to be beating this rate of improvement, because otherwise you're not really pulling your weight, if you like, in the race to decarbonise.